This is how Dad does it. What's up, everyone? I'm here with Josh, my brusky, and we are just hiking along on this trail. If you see, we are in Ponderosa Springs, or whatever the heck the name that's called. Hot day in Alabama. No, whatever. What's this? Hot day in Texas. Canyon here in Ponderosa, Texas. What's it called? Palo Duro, Texas.
Yes. All right, we are in Palo Duro State Park. Is it a state park?
It is.
Yes. Yes, I got it. Palo Duro State Park in Texas. I also got that. I know that because
Why
Texas.
did you look at me? Oh, there you go. Hello.
Go like, whoosh, look at that tree. Whoosh, look at that face. Whoosh, look at that dirt.
Y'all have got to be kidding me. Now we're doing the close-up. Also, this hike is sponsored by AW Trailers. Looking for a trailer in Tyler, Texas, new or used, or trailer parts? AW Trailers, Office 69. North Tyler. Oh my goodness. Alright, dude, talk us through this. What are we doing?
Ziplining.
Ziplining. That says warning video surveillance in use.
Too many.
I am the surveillance. Great. Wonderful.
Let's just go up there now.
Alright, so step one, we walk up this.
Step two, we start praying.
Step two, we go, ah!
Step two, we die. There you go.
No death is gonna happen today.
Step 3 is on.
But what if? There's always a if.
There's
In
always
life.
an if.
What is it?
What if somebody hit you in the helmet? Zip lining tour in Palo Duro. Ah! God, it's so good. Going up. It's a rickety bridge.
Mount. Came back to face it. I love it.
You ready? Yeah. And off we go. Woo! You have to go woo! And look at how beautiful it is. Whoa! Dude! You did it, man!
You did it. Way to go.
What'd you think? Alright, so in addition to the zip line course, you also get to go on these awesome rickety bridges that you're still strapped into. So they're safe.
Maybe they're safe.
They're definitely safe.
I've seen at least 5 boards that are completely rotted through and are no longer being held in by nails.
But they're definitely safe.
Oh, like this one right here.
That one.
Except that one's actually not too bad. Oh, that one just.
And I'm so proud of Paxton. He initially thought he wasn't going to do it, and he left. And then he came back, and he faced his fear, and he rocked it.
My name is Joseph.
We have ziplined today, which was super fun.
Hey, I'm Doc.
And now we are having a nice charcuterie lunch.
Go somebody, it's your birthday. Go somebody, it's your birthday.
I remember why I stopped vlogging the first time around. It's all coming back to me.
It's all coming back.
It's all coming back to me now.
Baby banana.
And it's a baby banana from my baby Bez. He's my baby Bez.
Baby banana.
And we've got Everly here today. And we've got Joshua. And we've got a mommy. And we have a Paxton. And we have a Seth. And we have a dad. And we're going to try to actually get this vlog onto YouTube for our memories for forever. Because we like having memories.
The peaches are good.
The peaches are good. We have so many peaches from our own peach trees, which is
Except for that one.
absolutely amazing. Look how good it is.
That's a bummer.
Show me that.
Look at all the other ones.
Oh,
That's a bummer.
so yummy.
But you know what?
But you know what? You cut away the bad stuff, and then you're left with the good.
It's all good.
It's like your own life. You work on cutting away the bad. Get to the good. Anyways, we're doing this 10-mile loop trail with a car, which is nice. Driving it. It's hotter than we expected. We thought that it might be hot, it might be cold. We're in a canyon in early May, so it's really iffy. But it's hot, so it's hot. It's cold at night. Cold at night.
Feels amazing.
We got to see wild turkeys this morning.
What was it? Nitro.
Not this wild turkey, another wild turkey. Oh, hold on.
We could go.
We saw wild turkeys. We've seen deer. Paxton's now the guy.
Blah blah.
All right, but I'm about to eat. So we'll stop at a few places along this 10-mile thing and show you some different areas that we see in the park.
I had my panties on the wrong way. I thought they were like a little bit coming up in the back. Really threw on clothes yesterday.
So for all of our church people watching, I'm sorry. I don't know.
So I threw on clothes and went straight to Lowe's at like 6:15.
Threw on clothes and went straight to Lowe's.
And I was probably half
Buy a new hose for our camper.
Look, I gotta get
Lowe's.
a picture. Are there bats in the
All right, we are going to what is called the Big Cave. And yes, that is the actual name of this. I know it sounds like a fake name.
It's actually pretty
Somebody was like, what should we call this thing? It's a cave, and somebody else like it's big, and they're like, I guess we'll call it the Big Cave. They didn't get too creative on that. Maybe they were too hot.
Oh Lord, you spent way too much time explaining that, John.
That was too much. I will cut that part. Cut it out.
You know,
But we're going, and we got kids hiking, and they're having fun. Look at that, and there's the Big Cave. Seth just jumped over an entire canyon.
Woohoo.
I believe in it. Ooh.
When did that canyon falls?
It's a big cave.
Right?
Hey, so big cave right there. It's like a 5-minute walk, maybe. Careful, careful.
Jones. Oh,
Here.
Your arms real quick.
Crop tops
are like this.
start, Seth. Crop tops start here.
Kids
Before lifting.
you will ever see in your
they're
life.
shorty shorts, but they're not like
I'm just gonna show you them be as crazy as you've ever seen.
Have you seen them?
Roll it!
Oh, I've seen your baby shorts.
This is the most deadly one in the park.
11
Wait,
a.m.
that's not a sign. I figured that was the sign. Where's the sign? That's not a sign. Ah, there's the sign. Lighthouse Trail. It is officially 6:55 in the morning.
Yes.
We're starting the trail.
Yeah.
Morning. You can get heat stroke. Let's go, Bez. Ah, thank you so much. Bez bought me a Gatorade for the trip. And I'm it's a Powerade. I'm so excited to drink all of this Powerade all by myself.
Can't drink it.
Right, we are back. Actually, we never left Palo Duro Canyon, so we're not back. We're here in Palo Duro Canyon still. But we are on Lighthouse Trail. Started at 6:55, and it is a almost 3-mile hike to the lighthouse, which is not actually a lighthouse. It's a thing that looks like a lighthouse. By thing, I mean a large rock structure. And we're starting early so it doesn't get too hot as we hike. Hey.
We don't know where we're going.
Oh.
It splits 3 ways.
First snafu about 3 minutes in. The trail split 3 different ways. There was no signage to tell you which way to go. We went to the left. And Seth found a marker with an L on it. We're assuming that means lighthouse. We got it. We got it.
Pull, pull,
Haha, there's the monkey.
pull.
The indigenous monkey of Palo Duro.
No, no, no.
There's the L.
Pull,
I
pull.
think they're mile markers.
And there's Seth. Oh, 0.2. Yeah, that is a mile marker. Good job, Seth.
I've really thought of that.
Good job, Evalie. Bad job, Seth. Just for the record, oh, that's very close. There we go. Just for the record, it is 8:11. Can't see that. There's no, it doesn't show. There, no. You can see Seth, the reflection. It's 8:11, just trust me on that. And we made it to the picnic area of Lighthouse.
How far it is to the top.
Right, once you get to the picnic area, that's 2.7 miles. After that, then you still have a hike to the top. And so we're gonna go hike to the top and see what that's like. I still have my app tracking. So we'll see. Been fun though. Sun's just now starting to really peek out here, but it's not hot yet, so that's nice. And we're going up. Evalie has the uncertain face. Let me see that face. Oh, that's not the uncertain face. It had a different face. It was like,
Left or right? Okay.
okay. Buddy, it'd be really nice to just leave your bag here. That way you can have more hands. We'll get it from this. Don't eat that tree. We'll be back. Don't eat. No, there's nothing wild out here. It's gonna grab that right now. Woo! Climb your Paxton and climb your Evalie and climb your Seth. Going up.
Going up.
Going up.
Going up.
Oh my goodness, look at the view. Holy cow.
So I just want to go back.
We're almost there, bud.
Oh, yeah.
Joshua's right there, yeah. See, it looks big and scary when you're down looking up at it. But when you're on it...
We are, give us a second.
Oh, watch out for that cactus.
No.
Right. This way's better. When you're on it and you're doing it step by step, it's not as scary. Alright, so if you're not used to rock climbing or climbing anything like this isn't really rock climbing, I wouldn't consider. There's a lot of really tiny little pea gravel things going on up here. But, oh my goodness. It's a Joshua. I haven't seen this kid since the start of the trail.
Go check out the view.
Good job, dude. Alright. 1 hour and 23 minutes. That's how many steps it took. 2.88 miles to get to the actual top. And let's go see these beautiful views. Hey, good job, dude. You did it. Look at that view, though.
We made it.
You want to try? You don't have to spin the edge. All right, Nugget. Where are we?
We are in
Palo Duro.
Palo Duro.
At the Lighthouse Trail.
At the lighthouse trail, but it's actually a castle gate. It's not actually a lighthouse.
It looks more like a castle gate than a lighthouse, but the trail seems to end way down yonder. But right here, this is the view.
Alright, Nug and I are on mile 3.48 here of this here hike.
Yummy dried strawberries.
Dried strawberries.
Nom.
Dude, you have red. Oh, it looks like you've been eating hot Cheetos, but you've not. You have been eating dried strawberries.
You eat some. Wait.
What? You ate them all. Can't eat some. What?
I found a purple cactus.
A purple cactus? You did find a purple cactus. He's a purple cactus. I don't know where everybody else is way far ahead. We're super in the back. As normal, we like to hang out, bring in the rear, make sure that everybody's safe. Nobody's lagging behind. That's why we're back here. Alright, we are nearing the end of the trail as marked by this fellow right here with his stance next to the tree. Paxton's finishing strong. This beautiful woman in front of me.
Come on.
We are finishing our trail though. I changed hats. Paxton's representing AW Trailers now. Again, this is not a sponsored video.
Run, run, run.
So we went not completely to the thing. What's it called?
Lighthouse.
The lighthouse.
But
We didn't go on the lighthouse. I'm gonna go to the trailhead part. We didn't go on the lighthouse. We were very close to it and we could have, but we had some kids down and so we decided we were close enough to look at it. It made us happy. But, so there and back, we are at 5.96 miles, 3 hours, 7 minutes, and 13,000 steps. It's 10:04, started at 6:55, not bad.
If you felt good, then why were you so behind?
Lighthouse Trail. It's a sad face. That's why y'all have to be open so you don't have the sad face. That's the end of our trail. Time to go get ice cream with the family.
I went so
Let's do
far
it.
out, man.
Alright, just for reference too, if you are at Palo Duro Canyon, go to the Sad Monkey. It's not actually sad, it's just the name. It's a happy monkey. It's a cool little place. And they have Wi-Fi. Getting my backpack. There we go. Go up the backpack. Sad Monkey has a little shop in it, a little cafe, coffee and stuff, and it has beer on tap. They have a wonderful mead.
That's amazing.
The mead. How do you know it's amazing, Emily? You're not 21. But yeah, it's a cool spot. Watch this.
Monkey.
I completely forgot to make a video of our first campsite, our first ever campsite with our new camper. So here's the video, and it's not what it was because we've broken a lot of stuff down, but I'll get the hang of it. Our van, which pulled us so effortlessly. And then we have the camper. Da-da-da! Camper.
Hola.
And it's transmiral.
Paint.
On 3, jump. 1,
If you want
2,
sour cream, just dip it
3.
in, you know?
Wait, yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3.
Be careful jumping right next to the girl.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. But look at this pretty stuff. It's green. Yeah, it's a pretty cool place. Anyway, I will catch y'all later. If I see something cool, I'll try to whip out this camera as fast as I can. See y'all later. Peace.
Just for clarity, this is by no means sponsored by AW Trailers. I'm just messing around. But they are good people. And if you need a trailer, here I am again. But no. Yes. Alright. We walk. That's what we do. One step in front of the other.